Welcome to the Salem Magical Cooking Bonanza. Today, we're going to kick your taste buds into gear and also
destroy themselves in the rest boiling oceans.
Honey, is everything okay in here?
Oh yes, dear. Very well.
I'm sorry, I thought I heard something. Have fun with your cooking show.
Oh! Did you remember to take out the trash?
No, I didn't. But I will take care of that.
Well, you better. Because, I would hate for you to forget for the 13th time in a row.
Yeah, I will go and... I'm gonna go now. You have fun.
Now, we are ready to begin making our our recipe. You will need the following ingredients: 2 Harpies eggs, 4 cups of flour, tears of small children, olive oil, and the heart of a griffin. Now I like to add just a little bit of nutmeg to give it that amazing aroma. Now we get to begin the process of mixing. First, you are going to crack your Harpy eggs into the pot. Then we're going to add our flour. And finally, 3 cups of water so we can bring it to a boil. Alright, you want to put it on high and boil for about 10 minutes. Next, we need to get out our cutting boards.
Honey, have you seen my phone? I can't seem to find it anywhere. Could you call it for me, please? I'm expecting a call from my boss. Can you please call my phone?
Okay.
Thank you. I must have looked everywhere else. Oh, I'm sorry. What would I ever do without you?
Probably die a slow, agonizing death with demons using pitchforks prodding your entire body.
That was very graphic and oddly specific.
Yes, it was.
I'll never bother you again. Have fun.
Anyway, next, we need to cut up our griffin heart. And then, we're going to put some oil in our pot, actually our pan, and saute this. I like to mix it around a little bit, make sure it's all over the pan. Alright, by this time, our pot should be done boiling. And we're gonna add our sauteed heart. Mix it up a little bit. Now, you take your knife, make a quick incision, and squeeze out a few drops of blood. And now is the fun part. As you're mixing, I want you to think of your victim and call upon the dark forces. Now, you have a delicious recipe, as well as a taste of revenge.
Honey? I don't know what happened, but my legs are gone and I think I'm covered in feathers. Can we go see the doctor, please?
Oh, no, honey. I'll take care of you. Give me just a few minutes.
Okay.
Now, don't forget to tune in next week for our next splendid recipe. Have a magical day.